Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. So here we have one of those sums that comes in competitive examinations. So we are trying to master over it, and after we finish this, you will get to learn several more concepts attached to this. Alright, so stay tuned till the end of the video so that the learning is complete. Alright, so let's get started. So first thing we do is we cube both sides. Alright, cubing this and cubing this also. So we have, this is our A and this are B. I'm sure you are aware of algebraic identity A plus B whole cube. So we are cubing this. So as you know, the formula says that A cube plus B cube plus 3AB multiplied by A plus B is equal to A plus B whole cube. Alright guys, so this is a recap of what we have already done in lower classes. So we need to frame up this in this manner, correct? So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that we do is, in terms of this, is that we need to cube this, and then write 3AB, which is this multiplied by this, and the entire thingy here. So x cube again comes down. We have 4 plus root 15, okay, which already has a power of 1 by 3. Okay, we'll assume another power, okay, which is a cube. So this one we have completed. Now let's do the other one. 4 minus root 15, okay, to the power of 1 by 3, and then we have a curly bracket and then another cube outside for B, correct? Next we go to 3 plus 3, and A is this and B is this. So let's write 4 plus root 15 to the power of 1 by 3. Dot means multiplication. 4 plus root 15 to the power of 1 by 3. We haven't completed, guys, okay? We still have this. Alright, A plus B, which we'll continue in the next line. Alright, so let's copy this, because 4 plus root 15 to the power 1 by 3 plus this is equal to A plus B. So directly let's copy this. We need to put a curly bracket here. Got it? So my curly bracket is not very good looking, guys, so bear with me. I'm learning how to write a curly bracket. Left one goes well, but the right one always somehow. So excuse me for that. So the next step would be, okay, to cut these two. So what are we left with? Obviously 4 plus root 15 plus 4 minus root 15. Am I right? This we are doing for this, correct? So let me put this in the first bracket. This gets cancelled. Now next, what do we do to this? This is quite intriguing. You have to understand this very well, guys. This is A plus B and A minus B. So well and good so far, but what about 1/3? So what do we do to 1/3 power? So we know that, okay, if the powers are same in multiplication, for example, I'll just show you. If say A has a power of 2 and B also has a power of 2, there's a multiplication. Can we not write AB to the power 2? So the same thing we'll do over here, okay? Collectively we'll put 1 power to them. So plus sign comes here, 3. So we have, okay, 4 square minus root 15 square, and outside we have a 1/3. Got it? How? Because we gave a plus b and a minus b a common power, and a plus b and a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Did you understand? Okay, so not clear? So this is a plus b and this is a minus b. Okay, so okay, I'll give the reason at the end of it. Let me complete this, then I'm going to explain you this again. So we have this 4 plus, so which is this part? This is a plus b part, alright? 3ab we just nodded. But here 4 plus root 15 to the power 1 by 3 plus 4 minus root 15 to the power of 1 by 3. Okay, we already have seen somewhere, and which is here, which is equal to x. Correct? So remember, 3 is multiplied by this and also multiplied by this. So we can put a dot sign here. It means that it is all multiplied. So we can put a small, okay, x here for this, because this is equal to, this whole thing is equal to x from here. Got it? So let me just explain, okay, having put dots for this, this is equal to, I'll write, since 3 is there and 4 plus root 15 and 4 minus root 15, okay, and then we put 1 by 3, isn't it? Then what do we do next? 3 4 square minus root 15 whole square, okay, and 1 by 3. Got it? This I am explaining this portion. Alright? So this means 16 and this is 15, okay, because root 15 multiplied by root 15 means 15 alone, isn't it? And then we have a 1/3 here. Again we have 3 and inside 1 to the power of 1 by 3. Can we write for this 3, okay, and 3 here 1, and again we can write for this 3 dot 1 into 1 into 1, because it doesn't alter the value of 1. Okay, so 3, which means what? It means 3 1 cube multiplied by 1 by 3. 3 gets cancelled, so my final answer is 3 into 1, which is equal to 3. Correct? Now let's go back and resume with the sum. So this whole thing is an explanation for this, which is why I said that you need to stick around to be able to solve this equation, okay, well, and do justice to the sum. It's a beautiful sum and we need to understand every bit of it so that we do not get, okay, stuck anywhere. So having done that, let's resume with the sum. Alright guys, So I hope that you people have understood. So from here we get 4 plus 4, 8. Alright. So we have 8 for this. For here we have 3. And just now we solved this and got 3 multiplied by 1, which is 3 alone, multiplied by x. Correct? So we have plus 3x there. Already we had x cube from the left hand side. So I think I should write here also. Correct? So now it is very easy. I think we have found this. So when this goes to the left hand side, which is x cube, okay, minus 3x and minus 8, we are left with 0. So thus this is proved. Alright. So remember to put the degrees of x in a proper way so that it is going on descending order. So I hope you people have understood, and this has been extremely interesting sum. I have enjoyed teaching you all and trying to explain yours. So I hope you have understood. So